Hello everyone, Archana here. Today I am going to show you really beautiful collections by Lemoncraft. And here you can see this very long paper pad is here. It's called Leaves 05. They have series of leaves, different types of leaves they have in A4 size, but this long size is new to me. I guess it is new product for them too. So let's get started. I'll show you inside pages. So this is quite a big thick paper pad, you can see. It's 6 by 12 and 24 double-sided paper, 16 designs, and you need to fussy cut them, so they are not pre-cut. So you can see beautiful papers here, very pretty. So I'll show you all 6 designs, and they are repeating again. And back side also has different shaded green if you want to cut. And once you fussy cut, you will not get white background, you will get something greenish. That's the best part of these. And these leaves are very easy to fussy cut, they are not very intricate. And then after these 2 pages, these plain papers started. You can see all different shades right here. And one of the page I just cut it for by making my leaves. You can see there are some leaves, I'll show you later. So this dark one I cut it from this paper pad. And then you will get more of these pages, so they are repeating. So they are total 24 pages and 16 designs. So this is available. And then I will show you one of the beautiful collection. I have this one here which called Elegance, and you can see very soft colors, and I love this very soothing background. This is not busy at all, and you can fussy cut this image easily. So I have in 6 by 6, and 6 by 6 has 24 double-sided papers and 12 designs. And then we will get this fussy cut booklet, and I'll show you this one later. First we will see the 12 by 12. You can see all this very elegant design here. I'm in love with this really soothing background. It is not completely white, it has some stripes, you can see right here, I hope you can. And all these very beautiful roses, amazing, so cute, very pretty frame there. And then when you open, you will get so many beautiful designs, bouquets of roses here, very elegant. You can see here also very pretty page. You can see this impression, right? Something like lacy fabric. Here is also, I love this border. They also had this border in their one of the wooden pages. Very cute. And then this one has some leaves. This one has this fabric effect right there, lace fabric, and on top of that all these beautiful roses. Amazing, so pretty. And then this page has so many roses. You can see very nice busy page. I love this page. And you can see this one, it has picture frame and a big bouquet. Really elegant collection. Then this one has all 4 sides, beautiful roses, then corner, and here also. And then you can see this beautiful page, and again these 2 flower bouquets here, and back side is like this, like brick effect. So this paper pad has 6 double-sided, 12 design. So we have 12 by 12, then 6 by 6, and now I'll show you this collectibles kind of thing. It's a very pretty fussy cut paper pad. You can see these images on top. If you want, you can cut that image too, since it has a plain background. you can see all the fussy cut images right there. So pretty. Look at the swan. And they are very easy to fussy cut. They are not very busy designs, and all the backgrounds are something there, but they are in very nice soft color. You can see ballerinas accessories here, dress and her slipper, she's right there. And this page has, look at this ballerina image, her dress, lots of flowers, leaves are here. And then this background is soft color, of course, and this one has all the windows and beautiful ballerina image here. You can see right there. She's so cute, and it looks like they all are watercolored images. Then this page has these different shaped, very pretty, elegant picture frames, and some roses right there too, rose bouquet. And then this page has so many flowers, slippers, very pretty. This page has couple of tags. You can see a wreath, so many flowers and leaves. And this page has all the sentiments. You can see so many sentiments in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different fonts. You can see all these. Very pretty. And then we are back to our first page. So this is very beautiful fussy cut paper pad they created, and it has 24 double-sided papers and 16 designs. And I would like to show you some of the products in between. It's not Lemoncraft, but it's Elizabeth Craft Designs. I have these beautiful dies which I personally in love with. The sizes are very perfect sizes. They are not too big, not too small. Leaves are very, very elegant shaped. You can see all these dies. And I have created some of the roses here using these dies. So you can see, look at these roses, they are so pretty, right? So I have used this die to make this rose. So it is floral 4. You can see they are very beautiful dies. They cut really nice, and size is really good size for all these kind of projects, small projects. And I have used some of the bigger dies which I had in my stash. You can see all these beautiful flowers here and leaves. These are different variety of different dies I had, so I just used them. So you can see these colors I tried to match with this bouquet. So pretty, right? So I just wanted to show you these dies. If you are interested, please check it out, craftycity.com. I have few left. And then I would like to show you another beautiful collection by Lemoncraft. It is super cute collection called Baby Bloom. And we also have 12 by 12, 6 by 6 and this fussy cut page. So you can see, so cute, beautiful colors, very springy colors. And it's a Baby Bloom collection, of course, for baby themed album you can create with this. And I'll show you all these papers from 12 by 12. So first page has this border on the back. Oh my goodness, these flowers are so cute, and it's pink and blue, so you can use for baby boy or baby girl. This is very cute. All images are so cute. You can see, beautiful. Then back side has this image. How cute she is. Then I just have to turn all the time these pages, but I just wanted to show you each and every image from this collection. They are so pretty. You can see all the colors are so cute, and flowers, butterflies, And back side, this page has just these stars, you can see. This big page has this huge wreath, hot air balloon, and some beautiful images right here. Super cute images, you can see. This collection is really adorable. And then back side has this one. Nice. Look at this image. Oh, so cute. All the balloons and images. You can see. Such a beautiful collection. And then backside has this image, choo choo train. I just need to turn this page so you can see. Super cute, right? And then this page has this cute little girl here, and these images. And then backside has all these flower bouquets and bows. And this page has this image, and here you can see this cute little doggy here. And then this side has another page with this one. This baby is so cute. Look at the hat. So cute. So this collection called Baby Bloom, very beautiful collection, and the collectibles are even cuter, you can see now. So all these baby related accessories here, like so many things are here. Once you buy this one, you don't need any other things. You just fussy cut them and create your beautiful album. And then backside has this ombre colored page. Then this is all boy related, all boys. You can see all the bluish and the cute hat. I love it. And then backside is a blue ombre. And then this side has all the girly images. Again, boy image. And then this one has some cutouts of boxes. You can see, you can create a box and put these things on each side. So we have 1, 2, 3 boxes, and you can use all these. That is so cute. The blocks, actually playing blocks. This page is so cute, ombre colored. Then this page is plain, and then again super cute images. And then ombre page. And then this one has tags and wreath and flowers. And the last page has all these sentiments. So cute. This is very adorable collection. And then again we are back with all these accessories. So I have all these collections available at craftycity.com, so please check it out. We have this Baby Bloom, then the Elegance collection, and then this Leaf Pie by Lemoncraft, and I also have these dies available. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.